This is it. Final video from the air show. So these are the pilots emerging from their cockpits, from their shuttle to the crowd lines here. Quite the fanfare, as you can see. Well deserved. Every single one of them is a consummate professional. Very happy to deal with the crowd. Sign the autographs, take the pictures, kiss the babies.
You want an autograph?
I got no autographs today. I was just observing from the rear. I don't know where they got these posters from. I didn't see those. Maybe they were for sale. They were not handing them out at the front front gate that I saw.
It's nice to meet you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. You want any of the others? Are you sure you just wanted him? Okay, go first.
You can see they obviously have their name on their flight suit and the number. So the Blue Angels are numbered 1 through 8. And only 6 of them fly, 5 of them fly. I really should know that, but I don't. Some of them might be backups. I don't know. I'm not sure how that works. I'll need to figure that out. They gotta be sweating in all the long sleeves. It was hot. Hot day. I'm not sure who's camouflaged beside him there. Security detail, maybe? Oh. Looks like one of the guys in camo there is handing out the posters. I guess that's where you got it from. Shoot, if I'd known that, I would have grabbed one of those at least.
Pick that up, Frank. Oh, you got it back.
Yeah, posh off that beer, baby. Here we go. So at first, I thought this woman was a pilot. But then I just read online that the first Blue Angel female pilot is coming down the pipe, so she's got an 8 on her flight suit. Maybe she's a backup in the, I don't know. I should have asked. But, well, at the time, I assumed she was a pilot. Maybe the first female pilot's finally getting put in the starting rotation. Maybe that's what it is. The picture I saw online was not her, so it must be somebody different. Oh man, I'm actually watching Modern Marvels right now. They're talking about the F-22. Need to hurry up and finish this commentary so I can unmute this. Again, that's the competitor's plane, but still pretty impressive. And that's actually on the way to be mothballed. From what I understand, I've read about the Air Force's plan. The F-22 is going to get retired pretty soon, replaced with NGAD. But they tend to change their minds, so we'll see. That's it, folks. So much for the air show. One more shot of Doc. Thanks for watching, and I got some dive videos up next. Oh, peace.